Hello everybody, welcome to my channel VV's Tech World, and in this video we are going to show you the unboxing of Portronics Type C headphone. We had bought this headphone from Amazon, so I'll just show you the unboxing of it. So let us start. So I'd ordered this yesterday and got it today only. So I was going to get it same day, but there were some operational issues. So this is the product, Portronics Conch Tune C headphone. So I had bought this from Amazon for 299 rupees, wired Type C headphones. Okay, I have so many wireless one, but I want a wired one. So whenever you're talking on the phone, the wired one is very effective and efficient. So Portronics is a good company. I already have a laptop table stand from them, so I went for this company. So you can see that they have, this is the name of the company, the type, that is Conch Tune C, model number, color is grey, and this is a generic name. Quantity, the MRP is showing as 799 rupees, but we got it for 299 rupees. Okay, month and year of manufacturing and imported by Portronics. They have given customer care details and country of origin is China. They have provided around 6 months of warranty with this product. So if anything happens with the product, you get 6 months. It's powerful audio, metal earbuds, Type C audio jack, built-in microphone, and nylon braided wire. Okay, so this is how the box looks. Okay, so this, you can see they have given 6 months warranty, and you need to register for warranty. You need to scan this one. So let us quickly open this product. We'll be just making a unboxing video today, and then after using it for 1 or 2 months, we'll be making a review video of this one. So let us quickly open the product. As I am an Amazon Prime member, I got this product next day. Otherwise, I was going to get it on the same day, but due to, I think, rain, it got delayed. So this is how they look. Nothing else is in the box. This is how the packing is there. Let us quickly open the product. What they have given here? Okay, they have given one sign-in stamp and date, and they have given, you can just click on the photo of the invoice and WhatsApp the photo, or you can scan for any query. I think this is just for registration for your warranty. You can keep it aside. This is the box that they have given, and this is the Portronics Type C headphones. Now they have removed jack from majority of the phones. So buying a Type C headphone is a must for everybody. So this is how the product looks. Okay, fine. This is the right one, this is the left one. Okay, and you can see that. Let us just quickly open the product and show you. Yes, so this is the one. Okay, you can see that they have given nylon braided wires, so it's tough quality. Okay, and this is a Type C. Okay, and looks like a good quality product. And here we have, you can see the Portronics badging here, 1 1 2 3 Portronics badging, and we have 3 buttons here. As you know, in the Type C, as you know, in a normal earphone, we have a button for calling and for cutting the phone, increasing the volume, decreasing the volume. And if you press this, you can play the song from here. And if you press this for some time, if you press this button or this button for some time, it will play the next song, or it will play the previous song. So we all know about it. They have also given the extra cushions for this headphone. So I'll just show you that how much they have given. Okay, so they have given 4 extra cushions extra. This is a small size and this is the medium size. So this is the extra cushions that they have given, and the 2 cushions you already have with your type C headphone. So this is just an unboxing video of Portronics type C. Okay, this is the pouch, and we'll be making a review video of it after using it for some time. It's all from today. We'll be meeting in the next video, and we'll be showing some interesting product from our end. So if you really like this video, do hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe it, and that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.